Okay, this is our 17 treatment sessions, no? So here, electrical stimulator, gawa na si Buano. Kita ni mo? So, maluoy itong konso, no? Sakitan kaysa, again, sakitan kaysa, YZ ni recover, no? So, kini siya, this is electrical, no? Mo transport siya pa dong sa imong spinal nerve by which mo dictate na siya sa imong brain, no? Paak na ayo na siya, mo na magkinahinay siya kaayo, mo na, no? So, here, sakit yun. Pero ito siya gipakunan, nga, no? Here, ni-recover na. Okay, good. Again, sorry, sakit, but ayo ka, no? There you are. Okay, I would like thanks, no? CLS, no? Property Incorporated, by which dito na ito gilawon sa atuang opening, no? Sa katong, for helping my neighbors. There you are, no? Again, so again, with based on the Harvard, no? Here, again, a rich typical heart might pump 5 liters of blood per minute. Mauling ito, no? Again, kung tambok ka, mo times pound, no? So, the same heart can pump 15 to 20 liters of blood in strenuous exercises such as marathon, by which wala siya tension and break. Klara kung gihimo, no? Again, mora. Again, ug hadlok-hadlok ka sa pasyente mo yun na di gid maayo pasyente, no? Again, mao lagi na di ta ka blame, sakit yun, but ayo ta, no? So again, I'm really sorry. Again, mauli hatag pos Ginoo kay pagpakita sa mga tao na makuha pag sa Arwin ergometer, no? Wa pag magawa sa Arwin ergometer, grabe na pagsubok, no? So again, from the people, yeah, they message me, dear Hearty, I'm Diyos sa Tina, as part of people's commitment, excellence, no? Again, I need the people, yeah, kay by which makalon so karon by tomorrow, wala na operating expenses, no? Again, it's up to the people who watch, yeah. Again, ako wala, nakadugin ako, but together without the support, di na ipod na ito mahimo, no? Again, for today lang, naka-opening ko sa ako ang helping my neighbors, no? Again, helping my neighbors. So, we're here, again, we're here already. No? Kanikadso nga case, pinakagrabe din ako, no? By which I research and study also. Dili ni siya binuang, no? Again, so nakita na ni move, no? Thank you.